Hello friends, we are moving on to another aspect of trigonometry, and that is trigonometry 4. We will be acquainting ourselves with common ratios in trigonometry. So we are looking at this equilateral triangle of sides 2 units, the whole of this line is 2 units, but we drop the height here perpendicular to the base, and that will be 1 unit here, 1 unit there. And so we want to use this part. You can also use that part. So we are using this part to find the common ratios such as 30 and then 60 degrees. And so sine 30 degrees from our diagram, over here is 2, over there is 1. So we use the Pythagoras theorem, this squared minus that squared, and then the square root give us square root 3. And so that is what we actually using to compute this common ratios. So sine 30 will be opposite over hypotenuse. This is our 30, so this side is opposite, adjacent, and then hypotenuse. So we get 1 over 2. And then cos 30, that's adjacent over hypotenuse with 3 on 2. And then tan 30 is also opposite over adjacent. And so we have opposite over adjacent 1 over square root 3. And then we rationalize it. So this times with 3, that times with 3, and then we get with 3 on 3. We move on to 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees will be opposite with 3 over hypotenuse. And then cos 60 adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over 2 tan 60, and that also be opposite over adjacent, that's root 3 on 1, which is root 3. And so we can use this right angle triangle to compute the common ratios, and so we've done that for 30 and then 60 degrees. Now I want to use this right angle triangle of units 1 and 1 over there, and so for us to find it to be 1 squared plus 1 squared, find the sum and then the square root using the Pythagoras theorem. So we shall get square root 2 for the hypotenuse, and the angles are 45 and 45. So sine 45, and that will be opposite over hypotenuse, so 1 over 2, and when we rationalize, 1 times root 2 will be root 2, and then root 2 times root 2 will give us 2, so we get square root 2 on 2. Cos 45 will also give us the same thing, that will be adjacent, that is 1 on square root 2, so we rationalize it, we get root 2 on 2. Tan 45 will be opposite over adjacent, and that is 1. And so this is how we normally compute the common trig ratios. We'll be using them in examples, so take note of that. Try and revise how we derive them. 30, 60, and then 45. Good friends, thank you for your time. Have a blessed day.